Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, you need to open Devices settings and click on General section after scrolling down, over here. Then tap on About at the top and choose Name. Now type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. And when you're ready, choose About over here. As you can see, after that, name of my iPad has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!